Okay, right now the machine is home.
Okay.
It's home there, home there. All I gotta do is just call up a program. Auto. And away we go. Feed rate. Spindle can stay. Let's just see. Okay, feed hold works. Sorry. Okay, it's drilling right now.
Yeah.
See how it goes? I'm gonna turn up. You want the feed up a little bit higher.
Okay.
You don't drill that fast.
Okay.
But see, it's going to the next hole. It's in a circle. The piece was held in that jig over there.
How many tools does it carry? 20?
Maybe 24.
24?
I'm not 100% sure.
Okay.
See, I was a maintenance guy. I never run these machines.
Okay.
That's a deburring tool. But it had to wait a little bit to change the height over to low. See what it does? Comes down.
Yes.
Deburs the top, goes through. Deburs the bottom. And like these machines, you can have all kinds of. It's got hundreds and hundreds of programs in there. Both pedals get a large memory. So you don't have to have an extra computer.
Yeah.
You don't have to do upgrade on it.
Save it in there.
Yeah, in the main cabinet. Yeah. See what they don't want a rotation in a bore, and then it'll make a spiral mark.
Yeah.
They want
The whole
supposed to be in front of you over here. I never even calculated. The part's supposed to be in front of you. You can take this thing again. These machines, they produce a lot of parts.
Yeah.
But see, this industry, we just stop doing anything small.
Yeah.
They claim there is no money in it. It's a whole lot cheaper to bring it in from China, Taiwan, or whatever. I didn't get it out of auto cycle. Okay, T18 M6. In there for sure, because that's what it tells you. Tool 18 is in the spindle. Let's pick up Tony. Okay, she's going for a 20.
Yeah.
So there are 20 tools in there. Let's try 22. What the hell? 22. 6. I never tried it. Like I only played the no. It's a 20 tool system.
20.
Yeah.
20.
Incluyen las 20 piezas de cada una, no más. ¿Sí?
So 20 tools.
20 tools for each one.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay?
22 por cada uno.
¿Ah?
22 por cada uno, ¿no?
20. Cada uno
20.
tiene 20 cada uno.
Tiene 20
20
cada uno.
cada uno, sí. Ya son 40. Pasó la herramienta, vale un poco de plata.
This
le digo.
depends what size they are. This size, at least.
Es mejor, eso es caro. Esa herramienta es cara.
Los catálogos, ahora sí se We are going to see the second machine working.
Yeah.
That's it. I don't even. So you wanted a head down for shipping.
Yes.
You ship it, yeah. Well, I will do all that. I will disconnect it. Whatever you want, that's what I do to a machine.
You please change tooling, please.
Would you let it go through cycle?
Sorry.
Yeah, we'll change. He'll pick up
Yes.
another tool.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. You just tell me what tool up to. No 24.
What about the coolant? It doesn't work.
It's unplugged.
Oh, okay.
Let's get that thing going. I just wanna let you. Oh yeah, the pump is started up. Is there coolant? Yeah. See the coolant's there already. And then you see the secondary coolant coming out. I put all these machines, they didn't come with the coolant too. I put them on.
Oh, you put them on?
Oh yeah. That's a $12,000 kit. $12,000 just to buy the kit. And if you hire somebody who knows how. What are you making out of aluminum?
No. Aluminum.
One more hole, maybe one more hole after that.
See, new machines are much faster than this. That's the only difference, huh?
Well, the thing is, in aluminum, you will see this one's got only 3.5 feet per minute. 3.5 inches per minute. So what it will do is go for another tool.
What I'm saying about the new machines is the difference is because they go a little bit faster.
Oh yeah.
That's the main difference.
Well, they upgrade all the things now. Like this is the old permanent motor drives. They're actually not that old. Because on the other ones you get a permanent motor drives too. But this is an AC motor over here. On a newer ones they put DC motors on them. They're a little more powerful than these things. But in aluminum you will have no sweat. Because we never had any problem.
Oh, they're still here, yeah. I have to ask another question.